Hey guys, it's Kevin. If you guys have a ET-8550, you might have this problem. It says transportation lock is in the transporting position and asks you to release it. Where is transportation lock? It's this thing. Right now actually it's off. So this is locked and this is unlocked. You can say it's unlocked before, so why the printer think a transportation lock is on? The problem is caused by this. When you start the printer is trying to move the printhead to the left. So if something is obstruct the movement around here, the printer will think the transportation lock is on. So if you obstruct, let's say far down left, there's another error. If you come here for the error 00, this is because the printhead is stopped around this region. Okay, why the printhead gets stopped? So if you peek down, you're going to see the tubes are twisted. And that's because that clear plastic didn't hold the tubes in place. You might not install the tube guard correctly, or when you're printing, the printer is pulling the tubes. It's just pull little by little and eventually it will auto sync. So if you park the printhead here and we're going to start and we're going to bypass the transportation lock region. So we will not get an error for transportation lock, but we'll get a 00025 error. And I'll just show you. It happens all the time when your tube guard is not wrapping correctly around the tube. Okay, what's going on? I have no error. Come on. Okay, just need a little bit of time. There we go. So now it's going to move to the left. There we go. So can see the tube got caught there. We get a 00025 error for sure. So if we open up this cover, you're gonna see the tube jumped out. To fix this, I usually just yell, Abby, tube guard is out again. Abby is our in-house tube guard specialist.
It's not even here.
Where is that not even?
This clip.
Okay.
And it's very minor.
Mm-hmm.
So I kind of just...
So that's probably because the printer is keep printing and just pull it slowly, like toward one direction. So the clip is too front or back? It's too towards you or me?
And it could be that, or it could be like the clip under there just one of these clips might have come up.
Okay, let me.
One of those clips might have came up.
Okay.
Or there's clips on these sides that hold them. One of those. I really just come to my side, move it back and forth, and then here's where I kind of watch when I go back. If it clogs back up when I go under there.
Oh, it should come in smoothly.
Yeah. So now I guess that's where I might try.
Yeah.
But don't try it if you don't have this on, because it will go back and forth fast and might get caught up.
The clear piece. Okay, cool. Also, your error may be just you're missing that cover.
I just hold this because there's screws there, but you just dismiss.
Yeah.
This should take you to home, which is how you put paper, and then you can do home. And fixed.
Fixed. Cool. Thank you.
Like it.
However, if your printer have lots of those problems, you might consider follow my another video, which we install a drag chain, or somebody called it a cable chain, but it's not cable, it's tube chain. Okay. Basically, see, this is the printhead carriage. So we install the chain, and we totally get rid of the clear plastic guard, and no more those meaningless errors. Anyway, okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Visit us at bchtechnologies.com and locally at Greensboro, North Carolina. Don't forget to check out that video. Cheers. And home.